You are welcome on Italian discussion, and this is our first lesson, and we are going to learn on Italian greetings. You are most welcome. Let's start. Lezione 1, our first lesson. Okay, in Italian language, to say good morning is buongiorno. Good morning, buongiorno. Say buongiorno. 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 Okay, buongiorno is good morning. And if you want to say morning, you say mattina. Say mattina. Mattina. That is morning. But good morning is buongiorno. Don't forget that. Okay? Yeah. Okay. If you want to say good afternoon, in Italian language, you say buon pomeriggio. Say buon pomeriggio. I don't hear you. Buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. That is nice. But at afternoon, we say pomeriggio. In Italian language, you say pomeriggio means afternoon. Say pomeriggio. Pomeriggio. I don't hear you. Perfetto. But in evening, in Italian language, you say buonasera. Say buonasera. Buonasera. Good evening. Buonasera. Say buonasera. Say good evening. Say buonasera. Okay, buonasera, that is good evening. Okay, but evening in Italian language is sera. If you say sera, you means evening. But if you say buonasera, you means good evening. Say again. Perfetto. Okay, in Italian language, good night, the time before bed, good night is buonanotte. Say buonanotte. Say buonanotte. Buonanotte. Good night. Buonanotte. I don't hear you. Perfetto. Say notte. Notte is night. Notte. Say notte. Notte. Say notte. Perfetto. Okay. So let's start again. Good morning is buongiorno. Good afternoon is pomeriggio. Good evening is buonasera. Good night is buonanotte. So let's start again. Say buongiorno. Buongiorno. Perfetto. Say buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Perfetto. Say buonasera. Buonasera. Perfetto. Say buonanotte. Buonanotte. Perfetto. Okay, there are another beautiful words in Italian language, okay, which you are going to learn now, and these are sì in Italian language is yes. Say sì. Sì. That means yes. If you say no in Italian language, it means no. Okay? Thank you. If you say grazie in Italian language, you means thanks. Grazie. Say grazie. Grazie. Say thanks. Grazie. Okay, that is good. In Italian language, if you say welcome, you say prego. Say prego. 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 Perfetto. Okay, that is good. Congratulations, you have learned new words in Italian language, and welcome again in next discussion. Prego.